Welcome to the first round of Formula 1 2021 at Bahrain International Circuit. Perfection is required and every 10th matters this weekend. Let's check out a good effort from FP2 from Sergio Perez last year versus his best effort in qualifying 3. White on the left for the good, red on the right for the great. First things first, Perez takes a little extra apex speed by rolling off the brakes, the block you can see on the bottom of your screen in the mid-corner of turn 1, stealing a 10th before the lap has even really started. He then facilitates this extra apex speed by using a little bit of extra curb on the exit of turn 2. You can see his left front tyre all the way over the white line in comparison to being up against the white line previously in the weekend. It's those little marginal differences which are going to make all the difference in these slow speed corners, so attention to detail is everything. Flat out on the throttle, which is the line in our data trace, down to turn number 4. Perez is going to get out of the brakes a little bit earlier on his great lap and put the throttle in just a little earlier too. He's going to try the same thing again into turn number 6, leaning hard on the left front tyre and pushing a little wider, making up for this by taking more curb in the left-hand apex of turn number 7. It causes him to lift slightly, but because of the downhill nature of the circuit, he gains generally time. On the way down to turn number 8 on his great lap, Perez brings his braking back slightly to avoid the slight rear locking and hesitation on turning that he suffers on his good lap. He makes the apex sweetly, gets out of the brakes and has a neat and tidy throttle application, picking up 4/10 total at this point on his previous best. Perez utilises perfect positioning down into turn 9, which you can see in comparison to the rubber marks on the road. He's a little bit wider, which allows him to brake nice